Okay, here we are out feeding the sheep this morning. This is my best time of day. Give the sheep some hay, then just sit and watch them. I enjoy that more than anything. I got Babe with me today. He ain't used to the cold, so he's in my coat. He was down for a little bit, but he got cold, so he's back in the coat. It's your boy. Babe's blind, but he's a good boy. He'll do just fine. I got 3 other blind sheep here. Jimmy, the first sheep I ever got. My nephew gave me Jimmy and 2 more little sheep to keep him company. That was 5 years ago. He can go on the whole property, around to the back field and everything. He knows where all his water buckets are. And Rosie, she does too. Watch out, Willie. There's Willie. Everybody's in the way. And Violet, she's still learning. She's younger than them other 2. Put your tail down, Willie, son. Let's see the sheep. Seems like everybody piles up on me when I'm trying to look at sheep. There's Maddie. And she's a Barbados ewe. She came with Jimmy. Still scared after all this time. Some are, some ain't. Every crop of lambs is a little less scared. I think about 4 more generations and they'll be just fine.